Inside this box is the Apple HomePod. Stay tuned for this unboxing. Now, a few weeks ago, I did an unboxing of the Google HomePod Mini, and I will link that video in the description box below, so go and check that video out. That video was, the Google HomePod Mini was only $40, and that was the reason why I didn't purchase the Apple HomePod, because it was $349. But as we know, all things Apple will be tested and tried on my channel and then given a review, my honest review. So I want to do a comparison between the Google HomePod and Apple's HomePod, and this just came in the mail today, so there was no way I was in this unboxing today. It's really heavy, y'all. When I felt this, like, this is really a speaker. I got it on sale too. The original price is $349, and I think I paid $329. So this is the top of the box. This is extremely heavy. Way heavier than the Google HomePod Mini. Just be gentle. Cool. And I got the black one. I was betwixt and between getting the black one and the white one. And I said, because I wear makeup like about 85% of my life, there's a chance that I just might dirty the white one. So I opted for the black one. Yeah, so it has the Apple logo. And the green tab that's gonna allow us to open it up. So you really don't need the knife. Apple is making their products very accessible with just a flip of the tab. Ooh. It opens from the bottom. All right, you ready, guys? Da, 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 da. The Apple logo in there. This is really, really heavy. Okay, let's just put this down here. It's extremely heavy. All right, in the box we have this is a horrible unboxing. All right, you have the Design by Apple in California logo. I'm not on my camera, guys, so instructions, manual, quite simple. It says tap to play, double tap to next track, triple tap to previous track, touch and hold for Siri, tap and hold for plus, tap or hold plus volume up, tap or hold minus volume down. And I had one apple sticker in here. Give me a second. Well, actually it's two apple stickers, one on each side. But let's get to the goods now. That's over and done. I didn't even need this knife. Oh, there's a tab on top of it as well, so we're gonna peel that off. And then we have to plug it in because Apple wants to act like they're really wireless with wireless charging and wireless AirPods, but they should have given us a wireless speaker. I guess it's gonna be in the next edition of the smart speakers, but this is their first edition, so let's just cut them a little bit of slack. There's a little bit of slack, but definitely the next edition needs to be wireless. Like the Bluetooth speakers, the Apple speakers, they are wireless. Once you have them charged up, you're good to go. So we're trying to run away from this Apple. We don't like the cords. The cords, no. Now I have to get a socket. Give me a second. This is what it's doing. All it's starting up is powering up. So I'm not sure how long this takes because this is my first time doing this. I don't know if it's gonna be the same as the Google HomePod, but let's just wait and see. Where's that Jeopardy music that we like to hear so much?
You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Wiz Khalifa. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
And say yeah, and say yeah, and say yeah. One night in town, my niggas round.
So this is good for me, Siri.
Money, them bitches hit the ground.
What?
Then bring it back.
Definitely want both of me because I don't curse.
Hey
Siri, stop playing.
So many hoes they.
That was not for me because I am not a cusser. So sorry. Okay, let's see what else Siri can do. Can't my passcode, y'all. Okay, Siri. Hey Siri, call mommy.
Sorry, I can't help you with calls on HomePod.
What? Hey Siri. Bless me. Hey Siri. When's my
Benik.
Hey Siri. When is my birthday?
I can't get that info for you here.
Hey Siri, what can you do?
You can ask me things like, "Hey Siri, where's the nearest coffee shop?" "Hey Siri, will I need an umbrella today?" Or, "Hey Siri, what time does Costco close?"
Hey Siri, who is Jesus?
Jesus, also referred to as Jesus of Nazareth and Jesus Christ, was a first-century Jewish preacher and religious leader. That was from Wikipedia. Should I keep going?
No, thank you. Oh, at least the HomePod, Apple HomePod knows who Jesus is. Google HomePod didn't know it. But, Hey Siri, who is the President of the United States?
The answer I found is Donald Trump.
Hey Siri, do you like Donald Trump?
This is about you, not me.
Oh wow.
Shorty man, she came with you, she won't roll with us. In the club with a stack full of dubs. Drop it low like a pro, bring it back. That's what's up. All my dogs up in here, plus his hoes everywhere. Nigga stunt like you.
Okay, I'm done setting up the Apple HomePod. Initial thoughts, the setup process was not as smooth as the Google HomePod. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it was because I probably had two of my phones there, and the HomePod was trying to recognize, well, which phone are you going to set up us on? So set us up on. Yeah, but I don't know. It is able to answer some questions that, well, the question that the Google HomePod couldn't answer and tell me who Jesus Christ was. That's a given. The Google HomePod knows my birthday. Siri doesn't. Hey Siri, when is my birthday?
Sorry, I can't get that info for you here.
Yeah, the Google HomePod Mini knew my birthday. By the way, it's August 7th. But as opposed to it working with my iPhone, I can feel. Give me a chance to feel it out, guys. I will come back with a really good update with you guys after I have used it for about 2 weeks and play with it. Yeah, I can tell you my initial thoughts. The speaker is extremely loud. It's really loud. It's a real speaker. Yeah, that's a good thing about it. It's really loud. It's really heavy. It's durable. I think it's kind of cute too. Looks cute in the corner there, you know. Yeah, it looks like something when you come into a room, you're like, ooh, what's that? That's nice. As opposed to being just flat. But give me about 2 weeks and I'll be back to you guys with a really extensive review. And if it is worth $340, but we know it's never worth the money that Apple priced their products to be. But because they are Apple, they hike up the price. So, but give me 2 weeks and I'll let you know more about it, the features, and if I can use it in my classroom. That's the whole idea of this smart speaker. Am I able to use this? Are my students able to use it? Hey Siri, what is a noun?
A noun is a word that functions as the name of some specific thing or set of things, such as living creatures, objects, places, actions, qualities, states of existence, or ideas. That was from Wikipedia. Should I keep going?
No, thank you. Yeah. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Why don't koala bears hang around with all the other bears? Because they don't meet the qualifications.
Yeah, that was pretty stale. But anyway, yeah, this is the Apple HomePod, guys, in all its glory. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. And do you think it's worth purchasing? But this HomePod has exhausted me in trying to get it set up. And I'm tired. And I'm gone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Mwah.